Welcome to our guide on where to buy Spotify Premium, the ultimate way to enjoy ad-free music streaming and an enhanced listening experience. So, let's get started. The most direct way to purchase Spotify Premium is by visiting Spotify's official website. Open your web browser and go to www.spotify.com. On the Spotify homepage, you'll find an option to explore Premium. Click on it to explore the different premium plans available, such as individual, duo, family, or student. Select the plan that suits your needs and click on it. This will take you to a page with more details about the plan. To complete the purchase, enter your payment details, including your credit card information. Once you add your payment details, confirm by click on Buy Now button. That's it, you've successfully purchased Spotify Premium. You can now enjoy ad-free music, offline downloads, and other premium features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more useful tutorials.